Hello everyone, myself Hemlata Patel welcoming you all to this channel. The topic that you are going to learn today that is from class 8 science from chapter number 6 that is combustion and flame. And the topic includes types of combustion and few materials forming flame on burning. So on these two topics today you are going to learn. Now let's begin with the topic that is types of combustion. Imagine burning of LPG gas on the gas stove, and also imagine burning of firecrackers in the Diwali festival. What is your observation? When any burning matchstick or gas lighter, when you brought near the gas stove in the kitchen, right, and you turn on the knob of the gas stove, you will observe that LPG gas burns rapidly and produces heat and light. Then that type of combustion are called rapid combustion. Gases immediately catches the fire and starts burning because their ignition temperature is very low. Okay, so that type of combustion is called rapid combustion. Gases like LPG, CNG, hydrogen gas, all we can say that rapidly catches the fire. Now imagine one more example, that is in hot summer near the petrol pump, what happens petrol, diesel, all that material got converted into its vapor form in that heat, and ignition temperature of that vapor petrol as well as vapor diesel is very low. Very less heat is required to ignite that vapor petrol or diesel. And it is shocking for you to know that even if you switch on your mobile phone, or switch off, or you use that mobile phone at that particular time, little heat is produced, and that much heat is enough to ignite that vapor petrol or diesel. So what happens immediately it catches fire and starts burning. So it is too risky to use mobile phone near petrol pump or any CNG station, because you get the reason. This fuels rapidly catches the fire, and that is an example of rapid combustion. यस आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि भाई पेट्रोल पंप और CNG स्टेशंस पे लिखा होता है कि डू नॉट यूज़ सेल फोन हियर. तो ये उसका रीज़न है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे वैसे फ्यूल्स है जो उसके वेपर फॉर्म में हो सकते हैं, या फिर अगर वेपर फॉर्म में नहीं लिक्विड फॉर्म में है तो भी उनका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर बहुत ही कम है और वो ईज़िली चलने लगते हैं, बहुत जल्दी जलते हैं और एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा हीट जो है वो कैच कर सकते हैं. तो दैट इज़ द रीज़न दिस आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रैपिड combustion. Now second example, that is burning of firecrackers in festivals, mainly in Diwali festival. Now, is there any difference between burning of this gas on the gas stove and this firecracker? Is there any difference? Yes, difference is there. When firecracker burns at that time, along with heat, light, they also produces sound. Okay, so that type of combustion in which heat, light as well as sound is produced, that is an example of explosion, right? The type of combustion is explosion. In this case also sudden reaction takes place with this evolution of heat, light and sound. Also, large amount of gas is formed in the reaction and that is liberated. Right or wrong? जब फटाके जलते हैं तो आवाज़ तो आती है, हीट भी प्रोड्यूस होती है, कभी कभी आप जल भी जाते हो वो हीट से. राइट और रॉन्ग? लाइट भी प्रोड्यूस होती है, वो लाइट देखने के लिए तो आप फटाके जलाते हो. राइट और रॉन्ग? तो लाइट, हीट एज वेल एज साउंड, कान बंद कर देते हैं आप लोग. राइट? हाँ, सभी फटाकों के लिए नहीं, लेकिन बॉम्ब जब ब्लास्ट होता है तब तो हम डेफिनेटली हमारे कान बंद कर देते हैं. एंड देन उसके बाद क्या करते हैं हम? हमारा नाक दबा देते हैं. क्यों दबाएंगे नाक? क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गैस लिबरेट होती है. राइट? और वो गैस जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मफुल होती है, जिससे हम सांस भी नहीं ले पाते. सो येस, गैस इज़ ऑल्सो लिबरेटेड इन एक्सप्लोजन, दैट टाइप ऑफ combustion. One more thing that you have to remember, that explosion can also take place if pressure is applied on the cracker. Now, third type of combustion. In this type of combustion, substances like phosphorus, right, which burns in air at room temperature. Right? Room temperature generally कम होता है ना, 34-36 डिग्री होता है. समर सीजन 40, राइट, अबव 40. सो दिस फॉस्फोरस, राइट, burns in the air at this room temperature. No need to supply any heat. राइट? बर्निंग मैचस्टिक नज़दीक ले जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बर्निंग लाइटर नज़दीक ले जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कैंडल फ्लेम नज़दीक ले जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा मटीरियल, एक्स्ट्रा हीट देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. व्हेन दे आर एक्सपोज्ड टू रूम टेम्परेचर, दिस फॉस्फोरस catches fire itself and starts burning. And the type of combustion in which a material suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any apparent cause. apparent cause का मतलब है कि भाई हम ना मैचस्टिक नज़दीक ले जा रहे हैं, या ना बर्निंग लाइटर नज़दीक ले जा रहे हैं, या फिर ना कैंडल फ्लेम नज़दीक ले जा रहे हैं. राइट? कोई एक्स्ट्रा हीट बाहर से हम अप्लाई कर ही नहीं रहे. राइट? सो विदाउट द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एनी apparent cause, then this type of combustion is called spontaneous combustion. Right? I am repeating the definition again. The type of combustion in which material suddenly bursts into flames without application of any apparent cause, that is called spontaneous combustion. An example is phosphorus burns itself, right, in air at room temperature. See, spontaneous combustion of coal dust has resulted in many disastrous fires in coal mines. As well as spontaneous forest fires are sometimes due to the heat of the sun or due to lightning strike. However, most forest fires are due to carelessness of human beings. It is important to remember that the campfire must be completely extinguished before leaving a forest, after a picnic or a visit. So, this is about 3 different types of combustion. Now, the next topic that you have to learn, materials forming flame on burning. To understand that, see the activity that is given in your textbook. That is, you need to follow the table 6.2. Now, in that table, different materials were listed, and one by one you need to check whether on burning this materials forms flame or does not form flame. You need to note down your observation. So, the first material that is given to you, that is candle. So, when you burn candle, at that time it forms flame or not? What is your observation? And your observation says that yes, burning candle, right, forms flame. Second thing that is given to you, magnesium, right? Experiment that you have performed in 7th standard, as well as you have seen one video related to this. When you burn this magnesium ribbon, what happens? It burns with flame or does not form flame? Yes, it burns with flame. Okay, it gives out flame. Now, the third thing that is given to you, that is camphor. Camphor is nothing but, in Gujarati you called it as kapoor. Right, you all have seen that burning of this camphor. Can you imagine where you have seen this burning of camphor? Mainly, right, when you are doing आरती. You know, at last जब आरती ख़त्म होती है तब हम क्या जलाते हैं? तब हम कपूर जलाते हैं, राइट, कैम्फर जलाते हैं. तो whether it gives out flame or not, forms flame or not, and the answer is yes, it gives out flame. It burns with flame. Okay. Now the next thing, that is kerosene stove, means burning of kerosene in kerosene stove. So have you seen the burning of kerosene in kerosene stove? So if you observe carefully, yes, it gives out yellow color flame, right? So we can say that it also forms flame. Now last material that is given to you, that is charcoal, koila. Okay, so when it burns, it produces or forms flame or not? So where you observe this burning of charcoal, imagine the place. Okay, I'll help you. When any yajna is there or any havan is there, right, at that time mainly what is used? Charcoal is used. So now tell me, what is your observation? It forms flame or does not forms flame? Answer is, it does not forms flame, right? It gives out heat, right? चारकोल जो है पूरे रेड हो जाते हैं, लेकिन जनरली जो है चारकोल लाइट एमिट नहीं करते. ओके, क्या यू समवन विल से दैट मैडम चारकोल को जलाते तो स्टार्टिंग में वो लाइट्स तो एमिट करते हैं, मतलब फ्लेम, मतलब येलो कलर की फ्लेम तो वो एमिट करते हैं, बट दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ the materials that are present inside it that helps it to gives out to emit light. आप इस पे से सीख सकते हो कि भाई अगर एक अंधेरे वाली रूम है, अंधेरे में आपको, तो आप कभी चारकोल लगा के राइट लाइट लाने की कोशिश करते हो? नहीं करते, राइट. क्या आप सबसे पहले ढूंढोगे? तो कैंडल फ्लेम चाहिए आपको, राइट. या फिर केरोसिन चिमनी जो होती है, तो वो उसका यूज़ करोगे ना आप, राइट, टू लाइटन अप द रूम. कैंप फायर है तो कैंप फायर में आप वुड यूज़ करोगे, राइट, टू गिव्स आउट हीट एंड लाइट. बट कभी कोई चारकोल यूज़ करता है टू गिव आउट लाइट? नो. द रीज़न इज it does not forms flame. Okay, so in that way we have learned about few materials, right, on burning forms flame, and few materials on burning does not form flame. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we will meet with new topic. Okay, till then, tata, bye bye.